With this powerful secret AI tool, you can automatically generate hundreds of short videos, completely free. Just type in your topic, and the tool does the rest for you. It creates video clips, images, voiceovers, smooth transitions, high-quality subtitles, and even background music, all in seconds. You can instantly upload these videos to YouTube, Instagram, or Facebook, and start earning real money without needing editing skills, a camera, or even your voice. Each video takes just a few seconds to make, and the best part? You can repeat this process as much as you want. It's fast, free, and insanely powerful. Let's not waste time and jump into the tutorial. I divided this tutorial into 3 parts to make it easier for you to understand. Step 1. Finding viral topics for shorts. Step 2. Generating 500 short scripts and prompts for each video. Step 3. Turning prompts into real, high-quality videos. To choose a viral topic that gets lots of views, we can use ChatGPT. Open ChatGPT and log in with your email, then give it this prompt. Please suggest 20 creative, engaging, and viral YouTube Shorts video ideas that don't require a real person on camera, can be made using AI, and are currently trending on YouTube. The ideas should be suitable for 15 to 60-second short videos and capable of quickly grabbing audience attention. All the prompts are available in a file in our Telegram channel, where you can access them anytime. Just copy and paste the prompt into ChatGPT. In just a few seconds, viral ideas for shorts will be ready. Now pick one of these topics and let's move to the next step. To generate the prompts for each of the 500 shorts, we use ChatGPT again. Open ChatGPT and give it this prompt. Give me 500 short script ideas for YouTube Shorts on the topic of your chosen topic. Inside the brackets, write your specific topic. For example, top 5 mind-blowing facts about space. ChatGPT will give you all the ideas in just a few minutes. If your internet is good, you can do this step in less than 5 minutes. Now for each YouTube Shorts video, we write a separate script. Again, give this prompt to ChatGPT. Please write a viral YouTube Shorts script that doesn't need a real face and can be created with AI. The script should be short, exciting, and suitable for 30 to 60 seconds. Inside the brackets, write your first script topic so the prompt is ready. Now that we have the scripts, let's move to video creation. We'll use zebracat.ai, a tool that lets you create short videos using just your text. The videos will have animation, AI voiceover, and cool effects. Open the site and click on Get Free Access, then log in with your email. In the next window, click Create Video. On the left, you'll see 4 options: Prompt to Video, URL to Video, Script to Video, Voice to Video. Choose Prompt to Video. In the language section, choose the language you want for the video. In duration, choose the length of your video. In story style, select the style of the video. I choose motivational. Paste the script that ChatGPT created in this section and click on the Generate Script. 2 sample videos will be created. Choose one and click Next Step. Now choose your video style. There are many different styles. Pick the one you like. I choose realistic and click next, and then again click next. In the new window, from select video ratio, choose the video size. I choose shorts format. From voice and language selection, choose your narrator voice. Preview and pick your favorite. From captions, turn subtitles on or off. From video mood, pick the mood, happy or any other style. From music enabled, decide if you want background music. After setting everything, click Generate Video. In just a few seconds, your video will be created. Now you can make final changes to the video before exporting. In media, you can delete or add scenes. In voice, change the narrator's voice. In text, change the subtitle style. In music, change the background music. Use animation, transition, and elements sections to customize your video. Once you're sure all your changes are done, click Export Video. Then click Prepare Video. And in just a few seconds, your video will be ready. Click on the three dots and download your video. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit like and subscribe so you don't miss out on more great content. I'd love to hear from you. Comment below what topic you want to see next or any questions you have. Let's grow this community together. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.